All right, Mike here again with Atlas Rim Repair. We got another wheel today, working on a Jaguar this time. It's indoors with some swamp coolers running, so we won't have any trouble with the heat on this one. But you got some curb rash here, a little bit right in there, and quite a bit down here. This I definitely need to grind out. I'm just going to use the red conditioning disc on that. But we'll go ahead and grind that out, sand it with probably 320, 800, and then prep it for the clear coat. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'm going to go ahead and start working on this one. Alright, that should work. I'll go ahead and switch over to the sander with the 320 grit disc on it. Let's go over that real quick with the 800 grit. And then we'll scuff and be ready for clear coat. Then we're going to take an old scuff pad with the Atom Surface Prep Spray. We'll just wet that scuff pad down and go over and clean up these brake lines between the new and old finish.